Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. And a piece of my weather stripping has come loose. And I'm getting wet. Everything by the patch right there is wet. You can see all the moisture right there. It's just that little part of the weather stripping has come away. So I need to let everything dry out. Pick up some adhesive and glue that back up. That's the first time I've had trouble like that, but yeah, it's raining in my truck. My bed's wet. Waiting for things to slow down so I can go pick up Luciano. He still wants to go to run his errands today. I'm just waiting for a gap in the rain so I can get out of the back of the truck and get my shirt and my shoes on and get in the front. Good morning, everyone. Is it supposed to rain today, guys? Have you heard anything? I am wet. I am very wet. Fortunately, it is about 68 degrees out, so I can handle being wet as long as I'm not wet and cold. Let's see what's going on in Luciano's world today. Pray for me, people. So I have picked up Luciano and we have discussed the weather report. And he is just going to Walmart today to get a couple things, a hooded sweatshirt and some food. And they have an ATM in there for him. And then tomorrow, when it's not raining, we will go to the storage unit to find his birth certificate, the laundromat, HEB, China A buffet, and whatever else he needs to do. Write that down, folks. I just want you to be able to plan ahead. I know I can't. A little bit of the lull in the rain. Hanging out with the locals. Even the birds like to get under cover. Look how high the water is today, guys. High tide and heavy rain. A little bit of flooding. Might head on over to Old Rockport and check out a couple of those streets. See how they're doing. It's supposed to rain until about 3 today. And it's just before 11 a.m. right now. It is just misting out right now, but I would say they have some flood issues going on. The crossroad is Bay, and of course we're on South Magnolia. I mean, this area always takes a beating when it rains hard. It just rained hard and heavy for, I want to say 6 or 7 hours. And yeah. Anyone want to go swimming? Come on down to Magnolia Street. We did need the rain. And fortunately, it's going to end soon. So we do have some minor flooding issues, but at least it's a few hours, not like our friends in Australia got, where it has rained 10 straight days and they're having major flooding issues. Look at that, guys, all the way down there. It looks like everyone's house is okay though. The drainage the drainage ditches in the streets are at about max capacity. And the sun just came out for a few seconds. I'm taking that as a very good sign. The wind is blowing pretty good still. About an hour ago it was 17 miles an hour out of the northwest. You can see both sides of the road here are pretty much flooded, but the road is clear, at least in this section. That is a lot of water, and I hope the wind stays, because this is like a mosquito's paradise happening right here. And raining a little bit. As soon as it stops raining, I got some food to cook. And I need to start to try to dry out the back of the truck before I go to bed tonight. Well, the birds are awake. I think they're in yeah, you can see them fluttering in there goes some fluttering in the bushes there. Looks like up the end here is completely flooded as well. Dropped off Luciano, got him back to where he needed to be. Sun's coming out, it's going to stop raining soon. I need to start working on my truck. It may have stopped raining, guys. Lots of water. The tide's up a little bit, nothing dangerous. The wind is blowing strong. And all the birds are coming out to see what the water has washed up for them. See what kind of treats are available. You guys know where Noah kept the bees during the Great Flood? That's an easy one. In the archives. The ark hives. You see the bees were... Never mind. Dad joke. One of the benefits of this type of rain is gives the birds and wildlife some fresh drinking water. But like I said earlier, as soon as that sun comes out, it's going to be Mosquito City. If you're new to the channel, I've been living full-time in my F-150 with a Lear topper for about 3 years and 9 months. And we are in Rockport, Texas today. Luciano is a friend of mine that is homeless. And on the 1st of every month, I take him to run errands. Those got cut short today because of the rain. It's supposed to be a decent day tomorrow. So I'm going to go pick him up again in the morning. And take him to do Luciano things. Rockport Beach itself took on some water. And that's not seawater, that is all from the rains we got. Hard and heavy. I'm going to begin the process of drying out the back of my truck. I do want to head over to Port Aransas Preferably tomorrow after I'm done with Luciano. If not tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Wednesday? Thursday morning. Give the beach a chance to dry out and not be a bucket of slop. That's it, guys. Minor flooding, no houses damaged. Another fun day in the books. Thanks for riding along today, guys. I appreciate you. Everything gonna be alright this morning. Oh yeah. Thanks for riding along. Thanks for watching. I wonder what kind of never mind.